Okay, Paris, Las Vegas. Room 2675P. This is the Lemans suite. So as you come in, it's one big room, pretty spacious. King bed, got your TV, little sitting area, couple chairs. The view is unspectacular. I mean, I guess it's okay. You got views of the Wynn, it looks like, Venetian, all the back sides, not necessarily a strip view. So, looks like the dome's right over there. See just the top of it. Nice little mini bar. Of course, nothing's complimentary. Gotta pay for it all. But mini bar. Let's see if we got any fridges. Oh, does look like there's a fridge. Let's see. Oh, it's empty too. That's a big bonus to have a fridge. Little work area for a desk. Very spacious, actually. Just for a non-one bedroom, more of like a studio setup. It's very, very spacious. You got this little hallway into where you've got a bathroom and a closet. We'll go to the right real quick here. You got a little makeup station. And you got a nice closet, lots of room. And door shuts if you want to keep that private, and then you turn around and you got a very spacious bathroom. Full soaking tub. Great shower, plenty of room. Not a jacuzzi tub though, just a soaking tub it looks like. Looks like they give you Jose Hebert amenities. And then you've got your water closet. Full length mirror is very nice. It's good light in here too. Overall I mean, this is a pretty nice room. Should do the trick. Nice rest. You can have some breakfast, room service if you want over here, but very nice room. I'd say the view is about the only downspout of this. It's on the 26th floor, 2675P. Was a little confusing because there's a 2675, but this is the 2675P. Nice to be on one of the lower floors up here, so hopefully don't have too much elevator traffic, but there you have it. The Paris, Las Vegas. Room 2675P.